In today's video, we're going to be making some Mickey Mouse Cheerio Treats, which was inspired by Disney World. To make these yummy Cheerio treats, you just need 6 cups of Very Berry Cheerios, 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, 4 tablespoons of butter, and some butter flavored cooking spray. That means you can make these Cheerio treats for less than $10. Okay, now you're going to start off with the 4 tablespoons of butter. Then you're going to stir until completely melted. Then you add in your marshmallows. You continue to stir the marshmallows until they are completely melted down. It should take about 5 minutes. You want the texture to look like this, nice and smooth. For the next step, you turn the stove off and add in your 3 cups of Cheerios into the marshmallow mixture. Then you add in the other 3 cups of Cheerios and stir until the Cheerios are completely coated. I bought this Mickey Mouse cookie cutter off of Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below. Now I'm going to use a 11 by 13 baking sheet. And you have to spray them both thoroughly with the butter flavored cooking spray. Now it's time to pour the mixture onto the tray. I sprayed a little bit of cooking spray on my hands so that I can pat everything out easily on the tray. Okay, so now that you have everything spread out evenly on the tray, you let everything set for about 15 minutes. Now's the time to use the Mickey Mouse cookie cutter. Being that the Cheerios are more dense than Rice Krispies, you're going to have to use a little bit of elbow grease and push down really hard to cut out the Mickey Mouse shape. See? There it is. Here's a little tip. In case if you have a broken Mickey Mouse ear and you need to perform surgery, just grab some of the residual Cheerios and use those to press down just like Play-Doh, and there you can fix whatever needs to be fixed. You can eat the residual scrap pieces so you don't have to worry about throwing anything out. This is what the finished product looks like. This recipe makes at least 15 Mickey Mouse Cheerio treats. You can also be creative by adding in some sprinkles or freeze-dried fruits. If you're having a Mickey Mouse themed birthday party, you can bag these up and hand them out as party favors. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more sightseeing, savings, party food recipes.